Pause for a second. What if the next 7 days were the most powerful days of your life? What if, in just 3 minutes a day, you could rewire your mindset, kill laziness, and unlock the version of you that scares even your doubts? You don't need magic, you need discipline. Look around. Most people sleepwalk through life. They wake up, scroll, complain, repeat. But not you. You're not most people. You're here because something inside you is screaming, I was built for more. This is your Ironman moment. 7 days, one mission. Upgrade your routine. Break your limits. No gym? Do push-ups. No motivation? Do it anyway. No time? Wake up 30 minutes earlier. You don't need perfect. You need consistency. Imagine the feeling on day 7. Waking up early, drinking water instead of soda, doing that one thing you kept delaying. That's not just growth, that's becoming unstoppable. So here's the challenge. Watch this video every morning for the next 7 days. Say it with me. I'm not weak. I'm in control. I'm Iron Man. You're either going to evolve or repeat. You choose. In 7 days, one life. Let's begin. And subscribe if you're joining the Iron Army.